Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best headlight cleaner is probably one of the most important car care products you'll ever use, because clear headlights are crucial for safe driving, especially at night or in low visibility conditions, and dull or yellowed headlights dramatically reduce visibility and can even lead to accidents. This video will help you choose the best headlight cleaner for your car, and I will show you how to restore your headlights to their original shine and clarity, improving both safety and the look of your vehicle. Number 5. Mother's 07251 NuLens Kit. Say goodbye to cloudy headlights. This kit is designed to quickly and safely restore your headlights to their original crystal clarity. It easily cleans away yellowing and stains. It even buffs out those unsightly scratches and smudges in just one step. The special Power Plastic 4 Lights polish gets to work, restoring crystal clarity and leaving a protective layer. This protective layer guards against future damage from the elements, keeping your headlights looking great for longer. The kit includes everything you need: a backing plate, polishing tool, restoration discs, and 8 ounces of polish. It's that easy. Get your headlights looking their best again with the Mother's NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. Drive safely and confidently with clear, bright lights. What we like. This kit offers a one-step solution for restoring your headlights to their original shine. It also creates a protective coating to prevent future damage. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to restore your headlights' clarity, this is the product for you. Number 4. Chemical Guys GAP 11516. Improved visibility means safer driving. It keeps your headlights clear, enhancing night vision and improving your reaction time, especially at night. This doesn't just clean your headlights, it protects them too. It seals the surface, guarding against the elements that cause yellowing and cloudiness, ensuring long-lasting clarity. Save money by avoiding costly headlight replacements. It easily rejuvenates and maintains your headlights, restoring their brightness and clarity for better road visibility. It's simple to apply and provides a DIY solution to restore your headlights to like-new condition. Keep your vehicle's lighting system bright, clear, and safe from damage. Looking for a gift for car lovers? This is a thoughtful and practical present that keeps vehicle headlights shining bright all year round. It's the gift of clarity and safety. What we like. This product not only cleans your headlights but also shields them from the elements. It's an affordable way to keep your headlights looking their best. If you are on a budget but still want a long-lasting solution, this is a great choice. What people say. This product does work, and in the world of polishes and trying to figure out which grade or grit you need, this is nice because it's just the right grit rating to do a complete job relatively easily. The professional grade restoration provided by this headlight restorer is nothing short of remarkable. With just a simple application, the advanced formula effectively removes the faded, hazy appearance of my headlights, revealing the pristine plastic beneath. Quick one-step process that cleared up the headlights just as well as other products that require several steps and more work. Number 3. Rain-X 610153 Headlight Kit. Restore your headlights to their original shine with this professional-grade kit. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting results, saving you money compared to professional services. Watch as it effortlessly removes scratches and oxidation from your headlight lenses. It smooths the surface, leaving a polished and even finish. This kit includes a protective sealant to extend the life of your restoration. It shields your headlights from future damage, keeping them clear for longer. This kit is perfect for anyone, from DIY beginners to experts. It's a hassle-free solution for polishing and restoring your headlights. Enjoy safer night driving with brighter, clearer headlights. It removes impurities and grime, improving visibility on the road. Unlike hand sanding, this system guarantees consistent, professional results. Get extended protection against future weather and road grime. What we like. This kit provides a long-lasting shine and is simple to use, even for beginners. It delivers professional quality results without the professional price tag. If you want a hassle-free way to get amazing results, this is perfect for you. What people say. Took about an hour to do both headlights with prep. Was so easy. Crazy difference. The drill attachment makes things easier for sanding and polishing the lens. The polish in the kit is okay, but I ended up polishing with Meguiar's Plastex to really finish off the job. Plastex polish has a nice smell and really made the surface smooth and clear. The lens sealant with kit worked well, easy to apply, and the lens both look new now. Number 2. POLIWELL Headlight Kit. Say goodbye to cloudy headlights. This kit makes restoring your headlights easy, giving you crystal clear visibility. First, clean the lenses. Then, wet sand using the included sanding discs. Finally, polish and seal with the UV coating for long-lasting results. It uses different grits of sanding discs, P1000, P3000, P5000, for effective haze and scratch removal. This ensures a smooth, even finish. After sanding, polish the lenses to a brilliant shine. The UV coating protects against future damage and keeps them looking great. It removes haze, oxidation, and cloudiness, restoring clarity and shine. Enjoy enhanced visibility and safety for night driving. This kit is perfect for headlights, taillights, and more. It's designed to restore about 2 sets of lenses, saving you money. With just a household drill and this kit, achieving professional-looking results is easy. It's the perfect DIY solution for headlight restoration. Everything you need is included: sanding discs, polishing compound, UV coating, and more. It's a comprehensive kit for a complete restoration. What we like. This comprehensive kit makes headlight restoration a breeze with its 3-step process. It includes everything you need and is designed to provide professional-looking results. If you want a complete kit with all the tools you need, this is the one for you. What people say. The right way and lasting solution for headlights that are discolored, faded or foggy is a product like this. It did a great job on my wife's headlights that were beyond bad. Results look brand new. It's easy to use, affordable, and gets the job done. Note, it's not going to get your headlights looking brand new, but if they are heavily oxidized like mine, where it will be a dramatic improvement. Simple to use, just spray with water, sand with 1000, then 3000, then 5000 for a minute or 2 on each pad. Then apply the brown cream using the soft pad. After that, just clean off and apply the final UV liquid with the cloth. Took about 10 minutes to do 2 headlights. Number 1. 3D GLW Headlight Restore Kit. Say goodbye to yellowed and hazy headlights. This 2-step kit will easily restore your car's headlights to their original clarity and shine. It's not just a clean, it's long-lasting protection. This advanced formula includes UV inhibitors to prevent future fading and yellowing. Brighter headlights mean safer driving, night and day. Improved light projection makes the road ahead clearer and safer for everyone. No special tools are needed. This kit is designed to be user-friendly, so you can easily restore your headlights yourself. Made with high-quality ingredients right here in the USA, it provides a long-lasting finish that resists future damage. Enjoy a long-lasting shine. What we like. This kit offers a simple 2-step process for restoring your headlights. It also includes UV protection to prevent future yellowing and fading. If you value a simple, effective, and long-lasting solution, this is a great option. What people say. As a detailing business owner, I make it a practice to take note of product manufacturers that always seem to work well and especially at a good price point, and 3D is definitely one of those companies. Great products and great prices. This product is no different. On a clouded-up headlight lens, a 3-polisher and cutting pad paired with the product by 3D GLW, and in no time you'll have a crispy clean headlight again, making the overall appearance of a vehicle so much better and easier to see at night, so it's safer too. Works well for what it is, a 1-step lens cleaner. Cleans really good and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.